Hi all, today topic is the impact of artificial intelligence on legal practice. Introduction. In this modern world where different digital technology has been transformed our way of living, as the growth in science of artificial intelligence, simply AI, has become one of the most popular topics in our lives. Artificial intelligence in its literal sense means mission intelligence. In simple words, AI is the capability of a machine or a computer program to think, learn, and behave like humans. AI has made a powerful impact on every sphere of human life, and its contributions to make our lives simpler are huge. Through artificial intelligence is modifying several sectors in our life. Even though AI benefits legal professionals some extent, it can further bring numerous revolutionary changes in the field of law. As in the judiciary, it is the bedrock of right and wrong. However, in the recent past, we have seen various instances where the judicial system has been influenced by personal biases. As AI, as a result, the AI has been taken can be used to be bring transparency and uniformity to the judicial system. What is artificial intelligence? Where artificial intelligence is one of the computer system which is able to perform tasks that which ordinarily require human intelligence. In those, many of these artificial intelligence systems are powered by machine learning. Some of them are powered by deep learning, and some of they are powered by every boring things like rules. Where this comes with learning which involves gathering the rules and information for using those data. As due to database service industries, it has become very popular and necessary in recent times. How artificial intelligence can bring reforms to the legal system, where the missions with AI will reform the ways in which a civil or criminal proceedings will take place, where it will also assist lawyers as well as judges by reducing time taken to perform various tasks at different stages of a trial, where it can assist the legal professions also in early detection of potential risk, producing superior quality work, improving relationships with the clients, identification of errors, legal analysis, and etc. Artificial intelligence, the future assistance for lawyers, where AI will be useful to lawyers in making well planned and prudent decisions and also improving the standards of their advocacies. Besides e-discovery and document analysis, it can assist lawyers by performing faster and detailed legal research, predicting legal outcomes also with more accuracy, generating auto pleadings and more such time consuming tasks. Is following are some of the ways which is AI will be pressure less than the pressure of the lawyers. In that, first one is legal research. Well, lawyers can be saved from doing different mundane tasks in the future with the assistance of AI. Legal research is the first and foremost thing that a lawyer must learn, and it plays a significant role in presenting a case in a court. Unlike other types of legal research, requires special skills and legal analysis. Legal research mainly includes finding relevant cases or judgments that are related to the case at hand. Moreover, machine learning enables them to predict the intention of the lawyers and thus provides the exact information they are looking for it. So it also aids the lawyers in formulating the appropriate questions that save their time and boost their confidence. Another problem faced by the lawyers is that many judgments have been overruled or have received criticisms from another court, as a lawyer cannot have knowledge about all these things, but an AI powered tool can provide adequate knowledge about these factors. And second point, predicting outcomes. One of the most important skills a lawyer must possess is to predict the legal outcomes and liability of a case. Most of the time, lawyers are asked by clients what are the chances of winning the case or whether the outcome will be beneficial if they file the case. Predicting such legal outcomes depends on the large number of factors such as the evidence, witnesses, facts of the cases, judge, opinion, previous court orders, and so on, etc. So lawyers try to predict the outcomes of the case by using their experience, reasoning, knowledge, professional judgment, and other cognitive skills. The AI-powered tools also predict court decisions much better than the humans, as the predictions are based on 2 centuries of court data analytics. Third point, generating outcome automatic pleading. AI can also help lawyers in creating automatic pleadings. It can be used for producing discovery responses, responsive pleadings, and other documents. The only thing the lawyers have to do is to upload the complaint or the discovery request along with the jurisdictional requirements. The only thing which legal mention is the one such company that has already made such a system. It uses different AI technologies to produce several types of automated legal documents using the lawyer's own style of formatting and response strategy. These high quality drafts are completely customizable as per the lawyer's needs. Fourth point, document review on contract analysis. Law firms and companies have to go through hundreds and thousands of legal documents and contracts for which they are hired lawyers. This can be very time consuming and error prone process of for humans. Moreover, finding relevant and useful information from a complicated legal documents is a very difficult task. Using machine learning and natural language processing, simply NLP, technology, AI-backed tools can be used to analyze a given document and extract the problematic clauses at the required portion within the seconds. Various contract review tools are also already being used in other technological advanced countries. Fifth point, classification of and grouping of documents. Lawyers have to deal with a large number of documents in their day-to-day life, such as contract briefs, discovery documents, legal opinions, etc. And these documents must be organized in a proper systematic manner. In the case of automated document classification, machine learning algorithm help to automatically categorize the documents into a predetermined and distinct category. This classification of documents is done based on the nature of tests in the document and its other features. AI can also be used automatically group items that possess some common characteristics by detecting the hidden or unknown similarities between them. They have to be trained to spot the differences between the different types of documents. Pros and cons of artificial intelligence in legal field. Every system has its own pros and cons. Although the advantages of artificial intelligence outweigh the disadvantages, where here we see some of the advantages of AI in legal field. The first and foremost significant of artificial intelligence in the field of law is that it saves a huge amount of time, as AI can solve difficult and complicated legal problems within a very short span of time. Where second point, artificial intelligence missions are programmed with predictive course as well as previous case laws. Therefore, whenever a similar legal dispute arises, these missions help the lawyers to recognize and examine the potential risk. Missions work selflessly without any breaks. They are programmed to work for long hours efficiently, overcoming the drawback faced by humans. And thus AI helps in increasing productivity as well as producing higher standard of work. The entire legal world revolves around the clients, so the lawyers need to adjust to changing demands of the clients. Since AI saves a lot of time by performing tedious, repetitive tasks, lawyers now get enough time to build and improve their relations with client. Lastly, human decisions are very generally based on emotions. Emotions not only affect the nature of the decisions, but also a greater time is to taken to convey the decisions. On the other hand, missions resolve the matter rationally, logically, and but not as emotionally. The non-existence of emotions and feeling allows missions to make the right decisions in a very short time of period. Here, there are some of the cons that system has been existence, which one of the chief disadvantages faced by mission is that it lacks of originality, creativity, and innovative skills. Mission can never replicate a man. It will continue its performance repeatedly if no command is given. As a result, it would be possible for missions to survive in the dynamic environment without human assistance. As application of AI in the legal sector is still an emerging concept, mainly in the developing countries. This is because traditional legal practitioners are reluctant in using machines. So, moreover, in developing countries, technologies and machines are still outdated as compared to the developed countries of the world. So, thus, they are still not reliable. Finally, the most important reason for lawyers not to use AI is the risk of unemployment. Now that AI is getting more prevalent, there is a high chance of large scale of unemployment. Another major disadvantage is that case complex missions incur huge installation costs as well as maintenance and repair costs, which only a few organizations can afford. Moreover, with the change in the environment, there is a continuous need for upgrading the software programs that also require a very huge fund. The legal personality of artificial intelligence is still not clear as it is not properly defined in any of the laws. This current legal framework doesn't define whether common laws apply to AI and missions. This creates confusion in case of disputes that involve the legal status of robotics or any other missions. Whenever it comes to missions, the first thing that strikes our mind is only about data security, whether it's safe or not. The AI powered missions must be designed in such a way that client data remains secure and protected so that they are not misused. However, but in reality, there are various instances where the personal information of the clients has been exploited. As finally, I conclude that the artificial intelligence is no more a futuristic idea, but it is a very reality. The artificial intelligence is also assisting lawyers and judges by reducing their time taken to perform various tasks at numerous stages of the trial and decision making process. As after it will be bring a very revolution in mankind and can become the most powerful and dominant human innovation in the history. There are already remarkable developments in education, healthcare, finance, transportation, security, and surveillance. And let's make impressive modification in decision making, risk reduction, business partners, and system performance, etc. Besides all this, AI is also assisting lawyers and judges by reducing their time taken to perform various tasks. AI will enhance the way we think or perceive things and change the outlook by exploring new horizons from space to oceans. Thank you all.